Hey, what's up guys, this is Shubham and you're watching Wrestling Battle. Guys, Impact Wrestling will host its annual Slammiversary event at Skywest Studios in Nashville, Tennessee on this upcoming Saturday. And just like last year's event, a big part of the promotion for the show has centered around wrestlers from other companies making surprise appearance. Between the crossovers with AEW and New Japan Pro Wrestling and the numerous WWE superstars who have been released this year, there are numerous opportunities for shocking arrivals. I'm gonna tell you about 7 former WWE superstars who could potentially make the jump to the Impact at Slammiversary, either for just one night or just as their new home. So this video is gonna be very interesting for you, so watch this video till the end and don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So without wasting a time, let's go. Friends, Peyton Royce and Billie Kay, now going by Cassie Lee and Jessica McKay, were two of the biggest surprise release when WWE made its first big round of cuts back in mid-April 2021. The pair have made it clear that they want to continue working as a tag team, which is the perfect for Impact Wrestling, given they have the Knockouts tag team titles but don't have very many tag teams to fill up that division. The two both did farewell to their former personas on Instagram this week, so I'm pretty sure that the Iconics are definitely coming to Impact Wrestling Slammiversary this year. Friends, Kalisto has switched back to his Samurai del Sol persona, and while he has not wrestled a match since his release, he was one of the most decorated wrestlers to be let go during the April cuts. He is a perfect fit for Impact Wrestling X Division, and the Josh Alexander, who is the current X Division champion, even mentioned him during a recent interview with Comic Book. Josh Alexander said, "I think Samurai del Sol is somebody that I have looked at for the past 10 years. He is one of the best in-ring competitors I ever saw." So this is the said by the Josh Alexander, who is the current X Division Impact champion. So I think Kalisto is gonna be huge debut at Slammiversary this year. Friends, Chelsea Green made her surprise arrival in Ring of Honor at last weekend's Best in the World pay-per-view and announced she is gonna be competing in the upcoming ROH Women's World Championship tournament. However, she reportedly doesn't have an exclusive contract with the company, meaning she could make some sort of appearance in her old stomping grounds on Saturday. Guys, this week at Impact Wrestling, Impact announces a mixed tag team match between the Brian Myers and Taneri Dashwood versus Matt Cardona and surprise tag team partner. And I think Chelsea Green is going to be that tag team partner of Matt Cardona. She is gonna be coming at Impact Wrestling Slammiversary 2021 pay-per-view, and if you don't know, Chelsea Green is the wife of Matt Cardona, so this is the perfect time that she is coming to the Impact Wrestling Slammiversary. So I'm very pretty sure that she is coming to Impact. Guys, Mickie James' 90s days no compete clause has been over, and we already know that she has been already worked with the Impact Wrestling multiple times, and she had been 3 times knockout champion. So we can understand that she has a great relationship with the Impact Wrestling, and she already cleared that she wants to continue with the wrestling. And if there is any front runner as to who Deonna Purrazzo's surprise opponent will be at Slammiversary, so I think it's gonna be Mickie James. So my prediction says that she is coming to the Impact Wrestling Slammiversary and she is going to face Deonna Purrazzo for the Impact Knockout title. Guys, Buddy Murphy is gonna be huge surprise debut at Slammiversary if he's coming to the Impact, but we already know that he is still in 90 days no compete clause until the end of August, but Fightful Select has reported that several WWE stars have been allowed out of that deal. Chelsea Green is the one of the good example. While it might be a bit of stretch, Murphy could be a great fit in Impact, X Division and main event scene. So I think if he's coming to the Impact, then it's gonna be huge draw for Impact Wrestling. But right now I'm not sure that he's coming at Impact Wrestling Slammiversary, but he has some certain chances for appearance at Slammiversary. Friends, Wesley Blake also coming to the Impact Slammiversary because Impact Wrestling teased in his promos that Forgotten Sons team are coming to the Impact, and Wesley Blake, we already know the member of the Forgotten Sons in the WWE, and his friends Steve McLean also working in the Impact Wrestling right now. So there is a huge chances that Wesley Blake could be the part of Impact Wrestling Slammiversary. Friends, Impact Slammiversary advertisement dropped a few massive hints regarding who might pop up at this show, including Net Japan's Kushida Okada and Tetsuya Naito and Pro Wrestling NOS Kazi Muto. But there was one other wrestler who was teased, and while it seems like a massive long shot, he doesn't have a contract with the WWE right now. It's a Daniel Bryan. He makes the list, but don't hold your breath. Friends, we already know that Daniel Bryan is not the part of WWE right now. He is not the part of the current roster right now, and he has no any contract of WWE right now, and he is not performing since he lost to the Roman Reigns at SmackDown for the Universal Championship. So there is some chances, there is a spoiler that Daniel Bryan could be the part of Slammiversary, Impact Wrestling Slammiversary. So it's gonna be a huge draw if he is coming to the Slammiversary. It's gonna be a huge draw for the Impact Wrestling, and then definitely Impact Wrestling are going to get huge viewership if Daniel Bryan would be the part of Impact Wrestling at Sunday, or you can say Saturday night. So guys, it's gonna be huge spoiler that if Daniel Bryan is coming to the Impact Wrestling Slammiversary. So guys, these are some 7 superstars that I think could make debut at the Impact Wrestling. So guys, this is my prediction all about for Impact Wrestling Slammiversary. This is my prediction for the returns for the Impact Wrestling Slammiversary. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to share this video. So guys, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So guys, we will meet in the next video. For now friends, take care family, take yourself. Bye bye friends, thank you for watching this video.